This video demonstrates how to build a value stream model from scratch using the eVSM Mix software. The value stream in this example is for high-quality double-action medical cutters. There are three sizes. The medium and large cutters require springs, while the small cutters do not. Here is a sketch of the value stream showing the spring production in the upper lane and the main parts in the lower lane. Let's get started with step 1 to specify the products and sets. Start a new map using the Start eVSM icon. Select the Mix Manufacturing application through the Open button. Initiate the map by dropping the time center onto the map from the Sketch Mix Manufacturing stencil. Enter the plant production hours per week. Enter the 3 products in the Mix Manager dialog. Create sets and then group products which have identical routings. Draw the set centers on the map with the Draw Sets button. Let's make the page a little wider here. Just hold down the Control key and drag the edge of the page. Now the products and sets are established, we can sketch the material flow. Sketch the process using shapes from the Sketch Mix Manufacturing stencil. Add sequence arrows to indicate the material flow. Ensure each sequence ends at a set center. Next, we will specify the routings for each set of products. Run AutoPath and then display gates. By default, all gates are open and all sets flow through all sequence arrows. The green products do not require springs, so we will close the green gate here. Use Show Set Colors to check the routings. Now we can make the data shapes visible and enter the data values. Use the right mouse menu on the centers to automatically add all default data shapes to the sketch. Run AutoPath again. Enter data values and specify units. In step 5, we will use the Solve button to check and solve the model. Run Solve to check and solve the model. If there are any problems with the model, the solver will stop and issue a message. Once the solve completes successfully, blue values will indicate the calculation results. Let's plot the cycle time, tag time chart next. This reveals some capacity deficiency issues. The model can now be used to explore what-if scenarios.